There's actually a lot of sample code for this week. So I'm going to run through that really quick. And let me make sure there's nothing else I wanted to cover. Oh, yeah, A16. So let me show you all of the files that we have. So lots of sample code. Let's see. I built you an app template. We'll look at that in just a second. There's some images in here, JPEG, JPEG, JPEG. We've got the SpongeBob meme maker demo, pillow practice file, how to open an image, how to draw with fonts. So lots of stuff to play around with there. Sample code and that sort of thing. Now the A16 filter app template is sort of a starting place for this. And by starting place, I mean I've done some things for you. This one will show the files in the directory. This one will show, I created a filter for you, a sample. And then there's a menu function. And I fleshed out a lot of it. What you will need to do is do some of the other filters here. So while true, open an image first. Okay, so I have it set so that we can actually run this. So this is what's there to start with. So if I want to open an image, oops, I need to save this into my project here. Save as. Let's try that now. So if I open the image, it lists all the images in that directory. And then I can tell it the image number that I want to open. There it is. And then I hit enter to continue. And now that I've opened a file, you can see here, I have this file open. I can apply a filter to it. Okay, so that's that filter. I'll try it with a different file here. Let's open an image. 7. Okay, so that's the base image. And then I can apply a filter. Looks like that, so maybe like a weird exposure or something. Not sure what that filter is called. Basically on that one, you can kind of see what I did here. I took the channels apart and then I rotated them a little bit so that they were just a little bit misaligned. So filter 2 is unfinished. That's up to you. So that's kind of the assignment. And you could do a filter, you could do writing text on the image, you could do whatever you want. I just want to see you do something with Pillow on your own. So create an image editing app with the following abilities: 2 filters, ability to open a file from a list. Already did that for you. Show the results, save a file after filtering. That's another thing you would need to work through. So should be some good stuff in the sample code. A lot can be accomplished by playing around, but that is A16.